Okay, I'm back again. As I was saying in the first video, I was talking about how you can remove this plate right here. This plate, that's to protect the rack and pinion from the heat from the exhaust manifold. It's two 10mm bolts up there. Boom. Pull those out, slide that back. That's it. And you can go right back in here with the power steering pump with the pulley on it. Now, in order for you to get it out, you might can squeeze it back through this way. I find it hard trying to get it out of there with the pulley on. So what I did, I loosened it up, cocked it to the side, put my pulley tool to remove the pulley on the other side in the front. Then I pulled the power steering pump back through here without the pulley being on it. But you can also go back and put the whole power steering pump back in there with the pulley on. You can go in there with the pulley on it, but you can't come out with it. You could probably try, but I know it was kind of tight with me. But I'm gonna show you how I got it up in there. So here's the pump. I'm going up in there with it. Just so that you see, I'm trying to hold it at the same time, record. Let you see that I'm gonna get it up in there. Okay. So I'm trying to hold it at the same time. Hold the camera. Hold this motherfucker. Okay, here we go. It's gonna go up in there. Just gotta work it up in there. Let me pause a little bit. Okay, see how I got it? Gotta come in like this. Had a pulley like this. Had this end down, come in right here like that. That's what you do. Come in like that. Put it in just like that. God damn. I got stuff dripping on me. Then you just push it on up in there. See that, how it went in? Now it's in there. See that? And that's the way it's gonna go. You just turn it. You can wiggle it on up in there. You can get it down up in there. Push it on in there. Okay, you see how it's in there? And you just fumble that mug up in there just like that, you know. There's enough room to get the pulley turned down where it need to go. So I can't record. I don't have nobody helping me. But that's how you get it up, and I just showed you how to do that. There you go. Okay, as you can see, I got the pulley in there. I mean the power steering pump on. That's the top bolt. That's the top bolt right there for the top of it. I'm gonna show you what it look like from the opposite side. That's the power steering pump in. Kind of dark under there, but you can see it. But there you go. You see I got it on. Let me get a brighter light. Okay, there you go. The pump is in there. I just got to bolt it down. To go to the other bolt right here on the side. I just got it halfway holding in there, and the one back up the top. So I just got to tighten the bolts up, tighten the line up, put the holes on it, man, put the belt back on, get this piece of shit up out of here. But that's how I removed the power steering pump. I didn't try to squeeze it through here like everybody else did. I just moved the plate at the bottom, two 10mm bolts. You could probably get the power steering pump out of there too, the same way I put it in down here. But you're gonna catch hell with that pulley on it, trying to get it out the same way I put it in. You can try it, but sometime what I did, I removed the pulley from right here, put my tool right here, removed it from this side, and pulled the pump out on the other side. But I put everything back in down through the bottom. Easy to put it in through the bottom. It's a little bit difficult trying to fish it up out of there the way you can put it in, but that's how I did it. Peace out. Let me get this thing done. Adios.